Hello everyone, we have a cool maths question here. If you can solve it, do that and put the correct answer in the comment section. Let's solve it together. 6 minus 6 times 6 divided by 3 plus 6 square divided by 3. The common mistake people make when solving this kind of question is that they begin from left to right. But this type, if you are to start from left to right, you will solve and get wrong answer. The reason is that subtraction is the beginning, and according to order of operation, subtraction is the last operation. Subtraction and addition, they are the last thing to do. So for us to know the operations to carry out first, we have to apply the order of operation called PEMDAS. Using this PEMDAS, P stands for parenthesis, and this is the parenthesis, 6 divided by 3. So we'll solve that one first. We have 6 minus 6 parenthesis 6 divided by 3 is 2 plus 6 square divided by 3. The second one there, according to order of operation, is exponent, something like 2 raised to power 2. Is it here? Yes. So we're going to solve this one next. So we have 6 minus 6, 2 in parentheses, plus 6 square is 36 divided by 3. Multiplication and division. Multiplication and division are at the same level, so we solve from left to right. Looking at this question, the multiplication is the one that came first from the left, so we'll solve multiplication. 6 minus 6 times 2 is 12 plus 36 divided by 3. Next must be division. 6 minus 12 plus 36 divided by 3 is 12. And then next is addition and subtraction. This is the next order. This addition and subtraction are in the same level. We begin solving from left to right. Looking at this question from left to right, we can see that subtraction came first, so we are going to solve the subtraction before we solve addition. 6 minus 12 will give us minus 6 plus 12. Minus 6 plus 12 will give us 6. This is the correct answer. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel